What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber, traveler, and seafood lover. And today I'm making a video about the top 5 Taiwanese seafoods. There is an abundance of seafoods available here in Taiwan, fresh and delicious with a wide variety. So I'm going to be taking you around the seafood market here to show you my top 5 favorite seafoods to try in Taiwan. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go eat some seafood. Number 3 on the top 5 seafoods in Taiwan, oysters. Of course, enjoyed raw, shuck it open, a little bit of lemon juice, maybe some Tabasco sauce. That is delicious. And look at these huge plump ones right here. Or if you'd like some smaller ones, you can just get a huge bag of them. But one of the most popular ways to have them here in Taiwan are oyster omelets. Oyster omelet starts with a fried egg and then a couple juicy plump oysters on top of that, and then he covers it in a starchy batter with a little bit of greens, and then finally tops it off with this thick sauce. This is definitely not a popular way to eat it in the West, but here in Taiwan, oyster omelet might be the most famous oyster dish of them all, and here is the final product. You can see it is just swimming in that sauce. It's almost like an omelet, but because of that starchy batter that he added, it has this really kind of unique texture. You see that? Almost like snotty, but in the best way possible. And that kind of ketchup-y looking sauce on top. Let's see if I can find, oh yeah, no problem finding lots of oysters there. At the fish market, you're gonna have lots of oysters in your oyster omelet. They do not hold back. As you might expect, it has that really gooey kind of chewiness to it, and then those fresh oysters inside. The flavor is mainly coming from that sauce on top, which is a little bit tangy, almost like a ketchup, but it's all about that fresh oyster inside. And look, this place really loads you up. There is a lot of oysters in there. Look at them all in there. Huge ones too. Look at the size of that oyster. And that is why I love Taiwanese seafood. So fresh, so abundant.